Hello everyone, you're watching S4 Shamsi Tech YouTube channel. If your GE electric oven stops heating at 100 or a bad control board relay, let's troubleshoot it step by step. First, we need to shut off the power. Now let's check this lower heating element. These burn marks and cracks mean it's time to replace it. We disconnect the element. Now let's test for continuity. The meter displays OL, which indicates an open line. This confirms that the bake element is faulty. If your reading is far from this, replace it. We need to remove this panel to get to the board. This right here is the relay. A failed relay stops the voltage from reaching the bake element. Let's see if this oven is working properly. I'm setting it to broil. Now we just need to verify the display. Can you check if it's actually heating up correctly? If your oven displays error codes like F1, F2 or E01, don't panic. Identifying the code helps find the faulty part.